Hey, it's Jack. I'm here with Josh Tuchscherer for another Meshbesher Monday. He's with Meshbesher and Spence. Josh, how's it going?
Good, Jack. Thanks for having us.
Now, we've been talking car insurance. Last time it was liability insurance, but there's another type, right?
Absolutely. An equally important, perhaps more so.
Says you.
Well, it protects your loved ones and yourself. It's called no-fault coverage, or also referred to as PIP, which is personal injury protection coverage.
How's it different than liability?
What it is it's a first layer of coverage to make sure that it protects you and your loved ones for your medical expenses, your wage loss, and your replacement services.
Okay.
It's usually your economic losses that are associated with a car crash. So
if you're not working, you're not getting paid, this type of insurance means you don't have to. You can still have an income coming in.
Exactly.
All right.
And also to protect you for any kind of medical bills that are associated with the car crash and the harms and losses that you've suffered in the crash.
So this is for your own bills.
Exactly.
Whereas the other one is for if you get sued.
Exactly. This is to protect you and your loved ones for the physical injuries, the harms that you have suffered in the car crash. You look to your own insurance first for those economic loss coverages, the medical benefits, the wage loss, and the replacement services, which is very important. And you know, in today's day with the extreme costs of healthcare coverage, and healthcare costs in and of themselves, you have to have resources available to you and your family to cover those losses. And that's why it's important to go to your own insurance company to make sure that you have those benefits.
Do people typically get both no fault and liability? Is that what a responsible grown up? Is that what my wife bought?
It's exactly what your wife bought because the law tells her she has to, and it's important. And there are different amounts that you can look to. The minimum is $20,000 in medical benefits and $20,000 in wage loss and replacement services. You can also increase that by buying more coverage or stacking coverage, which is very important and something you should look into.
Good talk. Good Meshbesher Monday. Josh, how can people find you?
They can give us a call or visit us at meshbesher.com.